Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi A1 Sportback S-Line. This model has a 30 TFSI engine with 110 PS and the slick tronic gearbox, delivering a sporty, engaging drive. This model has had one previous owner. With this being an approved use Audi model, it'll come with the minimum 1-year warranty, 1-year MOT, and 1-year roadside assistance. Starting at the front of the car, we have the S-Line body styling, including the aeronet grills, radiator grille, and front bumper, giving us a stylish front end. While as standard, we have the striking LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Moving around the side of the car, we have the 17-inch 5 twin-spoke design alloy wheels, which look great and complement the stunning Mythos Black paintwork perfectly, while there's also heated, electrically adjustable, body-coloured door mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, as well as black side window trim strips, really setting off the sporty exterior look. Moving inside, you'll see that even with the nimble profile, there's a spacious interior, with plenty of space for all passengers to sit comfortably, while on the cloth and leather upholstered seats, it means you can travel in luxury too. These are really comfortable and sportive, especially on long journeys, while the ISOFIX points ensure your child seats will stay secure on the move. Moving outside of the car and around to the back, we have LED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, and as mentioned earlier, the enhanced exterior styling also includes a roof edge spoiler, rear bumper, and rear diffuser, giving us a stylish overall look. To access the boot, just hold down the button on the key or use the soft release on the hatch. For a nimble hatchback, this has a large boot with 335 litres of space, so there's plenty of room for adding your shopping or even a pushchair, while folding down the rear seats means you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture. And once you've loaded everything, just pull down to close. Overall, this is a really stylish small hatchback. While considering its age and mileage, it's definitely in excellent condition. Moving inside, you'll see it's equally as stylish. There's polygon structure inlays, which really uplift the interior ambience. Lower down, we have the automatic gearbox and manual handbrake, with the wireless chargers just ahead. There's also cloth and leather upholstered front sport seats, which are not only plush, but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the manual adjustability means you can easily get into your favourite drive position every time you get into the car. There's also automatic headlights with light and rain sensors, while on the doors we have the switches for the windows and electrically adjustable mirrors. But this concludes the 360-degree walk around of the Audi A1 Sportback S-Line. Now let's take a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. In front of you there's a 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel with buttons to control the optional virtual cockpit you see ahead of you, as well as the infotainment display on the centre console. On the left hand side of the steering wheel we have these toggle switches, which you can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information, which can display consumption both short term and long term, as well as driver assist, so all the important information displayed ahead of you. There's also DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination, while a flick view can change the size of those dials, really adding extra customizability for the display. This model has done 17,761 miles, while its warranty is still valid until the 29th of June 2024. It will also come with the original set of 2 keys. There's also the optional 10.1-inch multimedia interface navigation plus display screen, with functionalities including DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, media controls with various sources such as Bluetooth and USB, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination. There's also Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect your device media via wireless Apple Carplay or Android Auto, so streaming your favourite music or podcast couldn't be easier. As standard, there's also Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. There's plenty more to choose from, such as efficiency and auto, with individual allowing you to customise your options, but our personal favourite is dynamic as it's the most driver focused. Not only that, but as standard, we also have the rear parking sensors, really adding extra reassurance when navigating through those tight spaces. Moving down, we have the controls for the manual air conditioning, which is standard on this model. With easy to access toggle switches, you can easily change the temperature, speed and direction on the move without taking eyes off the road. This was a walk around of the Audi A1 Sportback S-Line. If you'd like to reviewing, test drive or request a personalised finance quote, please contact us on 0772 911 331. Thank you for watching.